I'm now going to demonstrate how to create a discussion board posting from scratch. So first I am going to open up in a Word document so that I can type my posting and not have to worry about it disappearing in the middle, and also so that it will allow me to correct all of my spelling and grammatical errors more easily without running out of time or having other problems. I have also got the citation, which I've already entered, for the article that I found earlier. So now I'm going to compare against the guidelines I should be following to do this, which are going to be found in two places. Those will be the syllabus for the class and the sample article review that I have posted at the top of your JetNet page. So first I'll pull up the syllabus, and what I need to do is summarize the article in my own words, discuss how it relates to the topics covered this week, and refer to my textbook specifically somehow, either pages or chapter, and then discuss how it relates to my future field. So I have to make sure I hit all of those points to get my grade. I then have to make sure my spelling is correct, my grammar, and my punctuation. So that's what I'm going to be looking to do. Then I pull up a sample article that I have from the web page and see how it hits all these points. The overview of the article, which is first, it summarizes the article, and then it moves on to a discussion of how this relates to the textbook. So citing pages in the textbook, and also selecting what was the topic for this week in the textbook, as well as how that relates to what I picked, and then how is this pertinent to my career. So as long as I hit all those points and have my references cited correctly, then I should be good. So I'm going to copy my citation of the textbook from this article, because I know it's set up correctly because I created it, and I'm going to put it in here as well because I have to cite the textbook correctly to do this. Okay, so now it's time for me to get my article and create a synopsis of it. So I have to read through it and then go back and type up what I'm going to type. You don't need to watch while I do that, so I'll do it and then I'll take a look at it. And you can see that when I do it in Word, it highlights spelling errors like this one so that I can correct them. And this spelling error, and this spelling error. But I also have to read through it to make sure it's correct, because sometimes things are spelled correctly, but it's the wrong word for that context. So this should be assessed, not assesses. So this completes my synopsis or summary of the article, and now I have to create the section that says how it relates to the textbook. So I have to find where in the textbook I'm going to cite and then put that in. So I've done that. Notice that I have cited the textbook with direct quotes, and so I have to cite the textbook correctly with the author name first, then year, then page number. And I also did that in my article. I quoted the article directly, so I'm going to have to add a citation there as well. If you don't have quotes, you don't have to cite a page number, but I did. So normally you're going to put the author name first, but I don't have an author name for this article because it was not written by a single person. So I used the word imprisonment, which is for the first word from the title, followed by the year and the page number. And I have to put that after the quotation and then follow by a period, because that's the end of the sentence. So I have now done all of this correctly, and it's time for me to say how this relates to my career. For me, it's my career that I've already had, but same thing. I put in how it's going to affect that. I double check all of my content to make sure it's correct. And then I'm going to copy all of it. And I have to now put it into the discussion board. So I go and I find the correct discussion, add a new discussion topic, and I have to put the correct heading, which is going to be last name first, first initial, and then the chapter. And then in the message section below, I just paste it. Double check it all to make sure that it all is formatted correctly, reads well, and so on. And that's pretty much it. I just have to go down now and post it, and I'll be all done. So post to forum, and that's it.